have to live stream it to record it. I don't want to take space in my laptop, so I'm just gonna live stream it on YouTube.
Nah, some random dude gonna see this shit.
Yeah, it's up to them, bro. If they see it, who cares? Let me change the source
Crazy.
to.
Alright, my camera is off. It better be off.
It better be. Capture. Wait, where do I share monitor? There we go. Add source. Yeah, done. Okay, now the stream should be like that. No, 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 no. I needed to fit the whole thing. Yeah, perfection.
What the fuck?
And yeah. Okay. Now
Well,
screen is
stream
full.
stream on YouTube.
I am streaming on YouTube. Check it out.
Oh, where?
Where?
Let me pop these up.
All of my school account don't have my YouTube Premium.
Nah, what the fuck? I mean, it's in my YouTube channel, so yes. It should be on there. Review channel.
Where?
There we go.
What's your name?
Uh, take a guess, bro.
Jeff Bob.
No, it's Chef the Tank, bro.
Jeff the Builder. Hi.
You mean Chef the Builder?
Hey, you a builder?
Not a builder. I'm a
Why is
tank user.
Oh, fuck.
Alright, so let me share my screen through here as
What is
well.
have a whole ass music list?
What?
What?
Nothing.
What music? I don't listen to music.
I don't know. It's just. Oh,
I'm hearing multiple me's.
Why are you
So-
watching it at the same time, bro?
Hello,
Bruno
me.
Mars, Jeff the Tank playlist.
What?
I don't know.
Yo, wait. We got 5 watching. Yo, who's watching? Yo,
Wait, who's watching?
there's 6 watching. Yo,
I'm in.
Now, who is watching? I don't see anything in the chat. It's
it says 6 watching now, bro.
now. Who is watching? No. What the hell is this?
We're famous.
Yo, GG, we're famous, bro.
A random guy just watching?
Yo, what's up, random guy?
What the fuck? Okay.
Welcome to the channel. Consider subscribing, bro.
Yeah, what the fuck? Alright.
Yo, you still watching? Drop a W in the chat.
Now, what the fuck? How do I'm gonna put this below. There we go. I put this in a corner somewhere. Okay, I put the sheet right here. Blank
Holy
spreadsheet.
shit! I'm hearing multiple me's.
Bro, just close the volume
Me
on
too, bro.
YouTube. FMA Quiz 1 review. Alright, so for chapter 1, as you know.
How do I make this bigger? There.
Okay, so for chapter 1, time for lesson 10. Chapter 1 is gonna be accounting for management. So FMA stands for Foundation in Management Accounting. And this topic will cover management accounting function, data and information, quality of good information, and responsibility center. Those are the important 4 main points that we need to know. Okay, so first,
Who is
what?
as a gamer? Oh, great.
So,
Bro, you can stay on the topic.
hey, like, come on now. I'm the second comment.
We're giving W's in the chat, bro.
Yeah, W's in the chat, bro.
What the fuck?
Go on.
Okay. So the the purpose of management information. Why do we need it?
Plan, decision, control.
Yes. Management information is basically MA.
Mhm.
management, accounting, and we use it to make plan, decision making, and control. So, and there's two type of control. Do you know what first? Let's talk about planning. Planning basically setting objective. Basically, you set a goal
Mhm.
and you make a plan towards that goal. And decision making is basically you find the best plan you have. You make multiple plans. When you're planning, you make multiple of them, and then you pick the best strategy or plan, and you that's how you make the decision to choose that plan. And control is you compare after uh, deciding to do that strategy, you compare the actual result and expected result. Expected result is what we expect to happen after controlling the plan, but after implementing the plan. And actual result is basically what happened, the fact that happened. So we compare those two. Why do we compare them? Do you know why?
To get the best result.
No, we compare them. If the result we get is what we expected, then we don't need to change anything. But if the result is below what we expected, we must change our strategy if
Which
needed.
is the best result.
Yes, but yeah, sure. So there's two type of control. There's feed forward control and feedback control. For feed forward control, just look at the word feed forward. Feed forward, forward is meant to the future. So it's like a control action, or basically a plan in advance before any variable happens. For example, if you think that your sale will decrease in the next month, what's your plan? Basically, you cut down production costs. That's the you plan to cut down production, or you plan to do something else that make the sale go back up. That is feed forward control. Feedback control is like it happened in the present, like it just happened, and then you have to respond to it. For example, right now, COVID-19 happened, and you know that business. You see that you cannot operate your business normally anymore. So what do? You must implement different strategy, make new plan for it. Where's it respond to that widening that happened? That's feedback control. And it's, you can memorize it by the word feedback. Feedback is basically you respond to something that happened. All right, and a good plan must have an objective that is smart. So when you plan something, you must set an objective that have SMART in it. And SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. Specific means it's just it needs to be clear. It needs to have a clear goal. Specific. Measurable is mean that it is achievable. Like no, it's not measurable. Is mean that you can see the result. You can when you see the result, you know it's measurable. Like the result, you can measure it. For example, your plan is to uh, make $1 million that year. So if you at the end of the year you see that you did make $1 million, that means it is measurable. You measure it by the number of dollar that you make. So attainable is basically something that is not impossible. Like you have enough resources to do it. You have enough staff, human resources, and ability to do it. It's not something that out of your ability. And relevant is basically something that you need to do. It's relevant basically. And time bound is you need to set a specific time, like set a deadline when you want to do it. Because a plan without a deadline, you're just gonna put it off until I don't know the very end. It's like the project. We do project. If there's no fucking deadline, we're not gonna do it until the professor tells us what the deadline is. Part of life. And for planning, there's three stages: strategic planning, tactical planning, and operational planning. For strategic planning, is for long-term goal, reflect the organization as a whole, and organized by top management team. For tactical planning, is related to how company utilize its resource. Basically, for strategic planning, it's basically setting long-term goal like your mission, your vision, and it's set by basically top management. Tactical goal is how you use those resources. Tactical planning is like the resource your company have. You plan how do you use them effectively. And operational planning is related to day-to-day business, like operating manager. They like manage the shift of each employee, manage those sales, just normal, like short-term goal, and involve all manager.
Wait,
So
what is tactical planning again?
tactical planning is managing the resources of the company, how to use them effectively.
What's the 4M?
4M is the like the resources the company have, which is manpower, money, method, and material.
So strategic is long term.
Mission, company mission, like your goal, your objective.
Long term mission.
Yep.
So tactical planning is
How
resource,
yes, how do you use these resources effectively? So
and
you don't waste.
operational is day to day.
Yes, day-to-day operation. Like how normal manager running the store every day. Yep, that's normal. All right. Now data and information, their meaning. Data, as you know from computer science class, if you still remember, data is basically raw data, number that you have, but you don't understand it. It's like it have no meaning. It is not organized. It doesn't have any meaning. Basically, a list. For example, a list of employee. That is a data. Does it tell you anything? No, it does not. Information is something that is the data that have been processed, that have been organized to explain and have a meaning. For example, the grading of every student in class. Basically, you can see how many students got A, how many students got B, how many students passed. That is the information. Data is like a list. If you want an example with data, it's like just a list of score. Does it? It doesn't tell us anything. But if you want to know how many percent passed, how many percent got A, you need to process it, and when you process data, it becomes information. Okay. Now for quality of good information. What defines good information? You must have these 8 criteria, and for short, they call it accurate. So first, it's gonna be accurate. Detail must be correct, and basically, detail must be correct. There's no mistake. Complete is present all the important information. There's nothing missing. Like all the important part that you need to know is in there. That is complete. Cost effective. It means that its cost is less than the benefit it gives. That is cost effective. Understandable is basically you can understand it. Relevant is present to the right person. It means that you can use it right now. Like it's not useless information. It's not too late to use it. Authoritative is information must be from a reputable source. It means it's like it had to be verified by credibility. For example, it needs to have reference. It needs to have from reliable sources. You can't just get it from a guy said like
The dude said it over there.
what's that meme called again? Like trust me, bro. You cannot just say trust me, bro, and you get the information like that.
Trust me, bro.
Yeah, that is not alternative. It had to be from a good website. It had to be from
Yo, your friend left.
what the fuck? Why she left?
Tell her to join YouTube and say W in the chat. It's the ritual, bro. I don't forget the rules.
You
Yeah,
cannot
bro.
do that, bro. I'm not doing that.
Yo, Ray, read the chat box.
The fuck?
Nah, they blocked me from sending W's. Nah, crazy. What the fuck is this? Oh, ah.
Okay, so timely is basically must be present to a specific period. Easy to use, basically understandable. It's just easy to use and understand it. So now for responsibility center, there is four type of responsibility center, which is cost center, revenue center, and profit center, and investment center. And those four, it's their explanation. Let me explain it in an easy way. This is their main explanation. But cost center, just think about something that occur cost, like your expenses. That is a cost center. Expenses, cost center is managing it. And for revenue, it's basically your sales, how you make your money. That is revenue. It's pretty self-explanatory. And profit center is basically your revenue minus your cost. That is your profit. That is profit center. And investment center is. Do you know what the word ROI mean? Return on investment.
No.
For
Is it
example,
self-explanatory?
if you make an investment, like your company buys stock from another company, by share, that means it's an investment. And ROI is basically what your percentage of interest you get, like dividend that you get from when the company when the company that you buy share in, their price increase. That is your ROI, your return on investment. So you understand chapter one so far?
Maybe.
I don't know.
What the fuck? Okay,
It's okay.
so now let's go over here, financial accounting versus management accounting. You need to know the difference between these two. So,
Fuck.
what?
Why that shit again?
It's gonna be there forever, bro. It's gonna be there till year four, bro. Don't forget it. It ain't going anywhere. And
I
hello,
forgot
Daily.
like 3 times already.
Hi, brother.
Hello. You are late, bro. Okay, so I think you should just like read this and memorize it. There's not really
No,
anything to
explain.
explain, bro. It's literally financial accounting is required by law. It is for external users, like for people who like for banks, for supplier, and for like people who want to invest in your company. That is for external user. Financial accounting. It's like making financial statement. For management accounting, it's basically for the company. Like it uses to plan, make decision, and control the company.
Uh-huh.
And it's not required by law. Law doesn't really, and it doesn't have any standard like IFL or anything like that. It doesn't have any. The standard is set by the company, not really by any other standard.
Alright.
And financial accounting is only like financial information and historical record. But for management accounting, it's a bit different. It contains both financial and non-financial accounting information. And
I
information
bet.
can be from the past and for prediction in the future as well. So you want to know about this exercise? I will
Yo,
do.
hold on. Check the chat. Check the group chat.
What group chat?
The thing I was talking to you about. My neighbor's letter.
What neighbor's letter? Mine's worse than that, bro.
Crazy. I had to share a fucking whiteboard, bro. And bro's letter look like that.
Mine's worse. Okay, my handwriting is ass. Okay. All right.
My
So now
lord.
let's go question one. Which is the following statement is correct? Number one, strategic information is mainly used by senior management in an organization.
Yes.
Yes,
True.
because you know strategic management is basically a goal, and it's set
No,
by
wait,
senior management.
what's the order of it? Strategic, tactical,
Correct.
and what's the other?
Operational.
Bad.
And okay, productivity measurement are example of tactical information. What the word productivity mean? Let me ask you that. Productivity measurement. It's basically you measure. The word productivity is efficiency, right? It's the same
How
word as
good
that.
your workers are. Your slave.
Yes. Like how efficient is your work?
Slave.
Productivity mean.
No slave.
And as you know, tactical information is about managing your resources. So productivity is related to it. So that statement is also correct. And now, operational information is required frequently by its main user. The word frequently is like day to day.
Mm-hmm.
So is it right? Of course it is. So that means the answer is all of them. I think it's a this one. I Let's go with the professor one. Let me see. Where is it?
Fuck,
Oh, this one.
fuck is that?
The one that professor told you to review revision kit. Okay. Now let's get to the fun part of chapter one. Now, which two of the following statement about? Let me put the answer sheet this first, so that way we.
1 and 3.
I didn't even say anything yet. Okay, but where is the answer key?
I don't know.
Fuck is the answer key? Refresh this page. Yeah. Open this answer key right here. Okay, so which two of the following statement about quality of good information are true? So remember the word accurate. Can you say it? What does A stand for?
Good, complete, cost beneficial, user.
Understandable,
Oh yeah,
relevant, authoritative, timely, and easy to
authoritative.
use.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we look. It should be relevant for its purpose. Is it right? Of course,
Yes.
Yes.
this one is right. It should be communicated to the right person. Is it right?
Yes.
No.
Are you sure?
It
Yeah.
is. It is right.
Yeah, it is right.
Oh.
It should be completely accurate.
Yes. No.
No, it doesn't
No.
have to be 100% accurate.
My bad.
It should be provided whatever the cost that is going against the cost efficient effective
Cost beneficial.
yeah, cost benefit is wrong. So it should be one and two. Okay, so the answer is one and two. All right, so number two, the sales manager have prepared a manpower plan to ensure that sale quota for the forthcoming year are achieved. This is an example of what? So let's look at sales manager prepare manpower. What is manpower?
Tactical. The
Tactical.
4M thingy.
Is manpower a resource of the company? And when it's
Yes.
related to resource, it is tactical.
What's corporate? Just a random thing.
Yeah, totally just no. It don't exist. There's only these three.
I bet.
This one is just completely wrong. Which two of the following statement about management information are true? Okay, management information. You know the FA versus MA thing, the control.
Yes.
Yeah, that one. So they may which two of the following statement about management information. So we only look at management information. They may include non-financial information. Is that true? Yes,
Yes.
it is. Good. They are required by law. Does management require by law?
No.
No, it does not.
Oh,
They are used to help. That word aid means help with planning. Is it true?
Yes.
Of course, it's true. And the last one, as you know, they are used by party external to organization. Those management
No.
information they don't share. No company share to our public. So it's between it's one and three. Yep, one and three. All right. So now, which of the following statements are correct? A management control system is a term used to describe the hardware and software used to drive a database system which produce information output that are easily assimilated by management.
What the fuck?
speak English.
It is English. Okay, so let's skip that one for a bit. Let's look at this one first. That one is a bit confusing. An objective is a course of action that an organization might pursue in order to achieve its strategy. Is it true?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
Information is data that have been processed into a form of meaningful to the receptionist, to the
Yeah.
recipient. This one is also true. You see, this two and this two is true. Process of elimination is you look for an answer that doesn't have both of this in, then you get rid
Gamble.
of. No, you get rid of it. So there's only between this and this. But for number one, a management control system is a term used to describe the hardware and software. System is a software or hardware.
Soft.
Yes. And it's used to drive a database system which produce information output that are easily assimilated by management. It, it is more likely true. This one
So
is
we
a straight
gamble.
up guess because I don't see this in the
Gamble.
lesson. Yes,
See, we
Okay.
always gamble.
I don't see this one in the
Now
lesson.
it's come back to gambling, bro.
What the fuck?
All roads leads to gamble.
No, so it is false. What the fuck? It said both. Oh, that's why I forgot. It's a software, not hardware.
Yo, why is the right answer only three?
Huh?
Huh?
No, he. Wait, three only?
Huh?
You might pursue. Oh, the word might. It's
The course of action there.
it.
Wait.
The word might.
Ah, might, yeah.
Yeah, might mean maybe. They can. It's optional to not do it. Yeah, you gotta be careful with those things. Trick
Did
question.
bro say it though?
What? It's right here.
I mean, like, did bro say it was because the might thing?
You
À
can
so nè cái nó.
not mine, bro. It's my tutor.
Nice.
So the word is might. Pursue. So this one's only three only. So now five good information should have a certain quality. So what is the quality? Which two of the following are required as a quality of good management information? As you know, it's definitely not.
Extensive.
It's
Yeah.
definitely not true and fair.
True and
Expensive is
fair.
not.
All
This
of
is
that.
not. This is not. It's not FAU, bro. So it's complete and accurate. Those are two answers. Okay, monthly variant report are an example of which of the following type of management information? Monthly variant report. What does why do we need to find variant? What is variant? What is it's the comparison between budget and actual. And the reason we want to find that if we found the fund, are we using the resources effectively or not? So what does that mean?
Operational.
No, operational is day to day. It doesn't relate to resource.
Tactical.
Yep, tactical. Because it is a resource. It's part of resource.
It is.
Yes, it's a variant. Variant with variant report is basically your efficiency report, your productivity report.
Interesting.
It's saying that are you managing the company resource well? Are you doing the right thing, using the resource for the right thing? Which of the following statement is or are correct? Information for decision making should incorporate uncertainty in some way. The data used to prepare financial account and management account are the same. Okay, so information for decision making should incorporate uncertainty in some way. Do you want information that have uncertainty in them?
Oh,
No, so that one is false. But this one is interesting. The data used to prepare financial account and management account are the same. Well, we can. It is possible to do that.
Was
So
Professor.
I would say it's true. The second one because you do use the same data to prepare those things.
that was the answer.
Huh? How is
Both are
both true?
Crazily chồng.
Now it's uncertainty. That's related to accurate. Hold on. Financial plan data. Accurate. This detail must be correct. making almost always involve uncertainty. Future outcome. Oh, uncertainty means future outcome. It's prediction from the future. Knowledge this through possibility, eliminate sensitive data. Financial statement.
Then professor said both true.
Yeah,
Then
but AI says differently.
we are so
Let's. I think we should go watch the recording on that one. Let's just put in a recording. So use the drop-down list to select which of the following process occur at the business planning stage. Okay, so this one select business planning stage. When you plan a business, what do you do first? Obtain.
Money.
Look at the first answer: obtaining data and about actual result. Well, this one, you can't. This one, your business already start. You have to start the business to get data like that, to get actual result from data. Taking.
establish.
So the answer would probably be this: establishing objective. When you plan for the planning stage, it's basically you have to set an objective. This is for controlling stage, comparing actual performance with budget, obtaining data, taking corrective action, that is feedback control, taking the correct action. So the only answer that makes sense would be establishing objective.
Yup.
It's all control, not planning. Which of the following statement is correct? Management accounting system provide information for use in fulfilling legal requirement. That is not right. Management information management accounting does not require to be by the legal system. You good, bro?
No.
What the fuck?
I've been sick for nearly a month.
Same here, bro. Management, management accounting system provide information for the use of decision making within the organization. That is true, but we need to look at other answer. We must choose the best answer. Management accounting system provide information for use by shareholder. Nope. Shareholder is not part of management. Management accounting system provide information for use by the tax authority. Okay, all these three are wrong. Only this one is right. Okay, now which two of the following would be data rather than information? So
Wait, who choose the management accounting system?
basically management, your internal user only. And all of these are external. Shareholder external. As you know, business entity
Oh
basis,
yeah.
shareholder and business is different.
Yes.
Tax authorities basically government. Legal requirements also government.
Scammers. Oh,
What the fuck? Okay, which two of the following would be data rather than information? So what is the meaning of data? Data is basically raw data that haven't been processed to information. So what is a data? Let's see. Sale increase, decrease per unit in the last quarter. Is this data or information?
info.
That is information, yep. Total material usage. Total sale value per product. Is this data or information? That is data.
Why?
Because it's just sale value. It doesn't really sell value per product. It's literally just like how many that product sell that day. You doesn't really tell you that anything.
Uh-huh.
Total material use.
Data.
Yep.
Data.
For example, this one it says your sale increase or decrease. That is data that they compare it. Information basically comparing all the data together to get something that you can understand. So sale decrease, you find that out by comparing this month's sale to last month's sale. That is information. Sales staff commission as percentage of total sale. Wait, sales staff commission as percentage of total sale. Sales staff commission as a percentage of total sale. Oh, that is you separate total sale between your staff commission, like when you are selling something for selling employee, like for a salesperson, when they sell something, they make commission from the product, and this one is dividing the commission from the total sale. So the answer should be these two. See, these two are information, these two are data. All right. So now it's on to chapter 2. So let's go chapter 2. Chapter 2 is about cost classification. And this topic will cover, let me zoom out. Yeah. Cost object, cost unit, and cost center. And cost card, cost classification by nature, function, and behavior. And of course the calculation method called the high-low method, which will be used a lot in this quiz, I think. Because I saw a lot of website with it. Alright. So now, cost, you can classify cost into 4 different ways. Function, behavior, nature, and element. For function, it's basically, is it production or non-production? Like what is it? What's the cost for? Production cost or non-production cost? You understand that? Yep. For behavior is like how the costs behave themselves. Like, are they variable cost, fixed cost, semi-variable, or step fixed cost? And their nature, are they direct cost or indirect cost? And element which is basically material, labor, or overhead. So for right now, let's go with cost, the meaning of those costs. First one, cost object. Refer to anything for which a business wants to measure or set cost. It can be anything, like anything that occur the cost. Cost unit is referred to the cost of producing one unit. So this is for production. Basically, what you're selling, that's your cost unit.
Wait, what is cost object again?
Cost object can be anything for which a business want to measure or sort its cost.
Give an example.
Like a product or something.
It's a product that the company use, but it's not for selling. Like
Make or use to sell?
No. Use the company use every day. Like for example, paper.
Condoms.
What?
Condoms.
That is not.
But they need to let it go, you know.
Why would a company need? Okay, I'm not gonna ask. Okay.
So let one out for each day.
Okay, for cost center, basically production or service location, function or activity for which costs are associated. For example, if your company have a cafe for employee, like that thing occur cost too. It's like a cafe or cafeteria for the employee. That is a cost center. It occur cost, and it serves the employee of the company. Okay, so for cost card are used to show the breakdown of all costs related to the production of one unit. That one is a pretty self-explanatory. Let me go to my project MA1. Where is it? Management reporting. Yeah, not that. Okay, yeah. Alright, so this is what a cost card look like. For example, what you're selling. For example, for my project, I sell study, basically study material kit, and it's what's in those kit is pencil, pen, sharpener. Basically, what's made from it. It breaks down all the costs that are combined into that one product. and it's what you guys sell. Last time you guys sell fork, right? And you have a cost card too.
We do.
We did.
I don't know. Ask yourself.
Did we?
Wait, isn't this the one where we went bankrupt or something?
Yes. So basically, a cost card is it's just a card that break down all the cost of your product to make that product. It just show you detail like what cost it made up from all of that to make total cost per unit. All the costs stated in the cost card are predetermined. It can be produced for one unit or for batch. Alright, so now we move on to nature. Nature is basically in the rec. The rec is, you remember from MA2, right? What is the rec cost? What is in the rec cost?
That can be traced.
Yep. For the rec cost is the cost that can directly be traced to the specific cost unit or cost center. Another word for the rec cost is prime cost. And as you know, if you want to find direct cost, what do? You plus direct material plus direct labor plus direct expense together. That's give you direct cost, or in other words, prime cost. And for indirect cost is the cost that cannot be directly traced to the product. For example, overhead, or indirect material, indirect labor, indirect expense.
Wait, so does that mean overhead
Yes,
go up to those three
indirect
plus?
cost. Yep, overhead, those three plus together. But usually in exercise, I just see them put overhead. They don't really put that. Right. So this is they categorize them by their nature, and this one I think you can read this one by yourself because it's mostly just human eye. I move to the exercise. I think it's better. All right, now for the graph, cost by behavior. For variable cost, sometimes they will show you the graph, and as you know, variable cost is a cost that is fixed per unit. You know that it's a cost that is constant per unit. Like when you produce one unit, the cost per unit is constant. So if you see a graph, when they show you graph like this, you must look at the word total or cost per unit. If it's cost per unit, you should note that variable cost is always the same when it's cost per unit. But when it's total cost, it will go up like this.
Yeah, like me and the.
I don't think you should say that. Okay, so you understand the variable cost, right? Sometimes they show you a graph and they ask you which one is variable cost, which one is fixed cost. As you know, variable cost is like the cost per unit.
Oh,
Like it's the cost that change. How do I explain this? Let me just read this. Variable costs are costs that vary in direct proportion with the level of activity. So the cost of that change with the level of activity. So for total cost it will change, but for level for cost per unit it remains constant no matter the activity. I think it's for exercise better. Let me go down here. For example, if your total variable cost for 10 units is $100, but when you increase 50 unit, it's increase to 50 is $500. Increase to 100 unit is 150. It's $1,000. It increased by the level of activity. That is variable cost. And for if you want to find variable cost for unit, it's always the same, no matter the level of activity.
It's important to give out your
And for fixed cost, it's the cost that remain constant despite the level of activity. That means no matter how many you produce, your fixed cost will stay the same. But if they show you a graph of cost per unit, your fixed cost will go down the more you produce. Do you know why?
Maybe.
Oh,
Like for example, if you produce 10 unit, your fixed cost $500. You produce 20 unit, its fixed cost by it's still $500. 100 units still $500. But if they're looking for cost per unit, when you divide uh, that, you know how cost is being absorbed by the product, right? All the cost is getting absorbed by the product. So if you're producing, for example,
What is absorbed?
it's absorbed it's the cost is taken over into the product. So you can find the cost per unit of each product. So you know how much it costs to sell it, how much profit you can get from basically like that.
Mm.
So for example, if you produce one unit, we use 10. This is will be 10. 10 unit. When you take your 500 divided by 10, it's turned to $50 per unit. But if you produce 20 unit, you take 500 divided by 20, it turns to $25 per unit. And you make 100 unit, you divide all the fixed cost with 100 of your unit, it becomes 5. So fixed cost per unit decrease. Now step fixed cost is the cost that remain fixed for certain level. The best example for this would be supervisor. Like supervisor cannot monitor everyone. They can only monitor like certain amount. For example, one supervisor can only monitor 5 employees. So if they have 6 employees, they need to hire another supervisor. So the cost go up by a certain level of activity. And the graph look like a stair.
Mm-hmm.
And this one is a semi-fixed cost or mixed cost. It's basically the cost contain both variable and both fixed. And they can look like this. They do not start from 0. Total cost, if you see it doesn't start from 0, it means it's a semi-variable cost. But cost per unit, it doesn't go all the way down. It's leave a gap.
wait, what's the difference?
What do you mean? What's the difference?
Like this graph and the fixed one.
Well, fixed one, it look at fixed one. Fixed one, you see the gap. It goes slowly until it's reached very low level. But this one, it doesn't go below that. It it have a certain fixed cost area right here. It have a cost that remain at this level. It can only go up like on that level. It can never go below it. And this is a summary for it. You can take a screenshot of it. It's look. If you don't want to understand the graph, just remember this. It also works.
I don't think I can remember that.
I don't think I can understand either.
It's kind of
I
look
might
kind
just
of.
I can confuse it either way.
I think maybe it's a lot easier if I do exercise here. Okay, so now let me zoom in a bit so that way you don't see the answer. Okay, so what do you think this graph look like? But first we're going to
Right.
look at study the following graph where the vertical axis will represent a total or cost per unit. Then answer the question below. What? Vertical axle total cost. So okay, let's go with this total cost or cost per unit.
You tell us, bro.
Because they literally said total cost or cost per unit.
Yeah, you tell us, bro.
Let me
I don't
see.
know.
Total fixed cost 4. So this total fixed cost 4, then oh, then it's total cost. So this one is total cost. Okay, for total cost, you see a graph. It starts from 0 and it go up the more activity it is. That is the nature of the behavior of
Right.
variable cost. Yep. So one is variable cost.
Yes.
What
I
about this?
don't.
Number 2 is
Step fix.
look like a step, so it's step fixed cost. And for number 3, does it start from 0? No, it does not.
Semi-variable.
So it's mixed cost or semi-variable cost. And for this one, it remains constant no matter level of activity.
Fixed
Fixed
cost.
cost, okay. This one, it starts from 0 and it have a certain tilt.
That and step fixed. No, mixed. Is it
Mixed
mixed?
cost.
Yeah.
Yep. And this one, it go down. It doesn't have any level to stop it.
Variable.
No, it is fixed.
Fix. Oh, fix.
Wait, no. Is this cost? I forgot. This is total cost, not cost per unit. Total cost. The more you work, the less it become. That is variable cost per unit. Okay, so now we look at the question they asked. Total fixed costs show in the graph. So which one is total fixed cost show in the graph? Number 4. Okay. Total variable cost is shown in the graph. Total variable cost. Where is total variable cost? This one, number 1.
First one.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Total semi-variable cost is shown in the graph. Semi-variable cost is fixed cost. So where is total semi-variable cost? Number
Five.
wait.
Five.
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 You sure it's number 5?
Five.
Remember, there's 2 mixed costs.
Three.
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 You don't trust yourself, do you?
Five.
Say 3.
Alright, so total cost per unit. Fixed cost per unit. Fixed cost per unit is 6 if you contain this as unit. Like fixed cost per unit, the more you make, the cost get absorbed by all the unit and it become lower.
Uh-huh.
So this one is 6. Variable cost per unit is remain constant. It's also 4. Step fixed cost. Oh fuck! I went too far. Step fixed cost shown in the graph is 2. Yeah, this one.
Oh.
Right, so that's the answer.
Are we passing?
And should be. Alright, the high-low method. You guys should write down this formula. It's very important.
High minus low cost divided by high minus low quant.
Wait, did they give the level of activity?
Wait, what? Let's say scroll up and what take picture. Which one? Is that even in here?
Tell how to say W's in the chat,
Nah,
the YouTube chat.
wait, she. I'll tell what she's literally in. No, he's not even in YouTube. Where are you
W in.
watching from? You can find this slide. You don't have to take a picture. You can find the slide. I send it inside the group.
Where?
I let you send it to you guys too.
Where?
Yeah, I'm just gonna shut the fuck up.
Did they give the level of activity?
What?
Did they give? Do we have to find?
Yeah. I would teach you how to identify, but first you need to remember the formula first.
A total of a mixed cost equal fixed cost plus variable cost per unit times level activity. BC per unit equals cost high minus cost low divided by quantity high minus quantity low.
Let me write that down as well so I can review it tomorrow morning. You know, it's one night policy. It's really not the best idea, but
Yes, Professor FAU said that it will make my life shorter by 5 years at least.
Ah,
50 years. I ain't seeing my 40s, bro.
what the fuck? Nah. Okay. VC per unit. Uh, cross height. Okay. So if you look at here, we first must identify uh, which is the highest and which is the lowest.
For which? Cost or output?
We go with cost.
Wait, ain't they both the highest? Oh, wait.
Yes, highest. We identify which one is high, which one is lowest. We look at that. We now actually we mentioned
Oh,
output,
I
right?
think it's output.
Yeah, output.
I think it's higher.
Yes, output. So let's look here. The highest output we have is 50. The lowest output we have is 26. And
Uh-huh.
we calculate those two costs together. Let me go screenshot this and put in a sheet.
Y'all hear that?
Yes.
Yes, we can hear your music. Turn it off, bro. It's starting time.
Oh, I was talking about the YouTube. Your stream, bro.
Where's that music coming from?
Obviously.
Nah, bro, turn off your music.
Need music to learn, bro.
I'm gonna get this video copyrighted, bro.
Oh, let me play it non-copyrighted.
Nah.
We're gonna get banned. Sue.
Non-copyright sound.
I don't think bad is even that bad. Sue is the one that's bad.
Yeah, I'm gonna get sued, bro. Okay, so they're asking for finding the basically finding the cost per unit. That's what we're looking for. Variable cost per unit. So we look at a high-low method. So first, they ask us to find VC per unit. Now first we find the highest level activity. Let me put this so that way it will not. Highest level activity. Which one is the highest?
50.
50.
Yep, 50. But it's cost first, bro. So 50, the highest cost. 7,310. Minus with the lowest cost, which is 6,566.
Why is
Okay.
6566 not 67, bruh?
Yeah, we failing.
What the fuck is this? Minus with 26. So that is gonna be your variable cost per units right here. Let me copy that. Put it. I believe this is how you do it, right? Pop this, and then you paste it. You put this in front. I move this here. I move this here. Do it. We see per unit. All right. So if you want to find fixed cost, total fixed cost, how do you find it? By được muốn với mà total mixed cost minus fixed cost បូកជាមួយនឹង variable cost per unit គុណនឹង level activity. So let me put the formula up here, the full formula. Mixed cost minus fixed total fixed cost by VC per unit คูณนั้น
Is it not
times by
plus?
oh plus yeah plus level of activity. So as you know from chemistry class,
That's minus.
That's
F,
minus.
oh,
You forgot to close the vocal chop.
you know, you guys are picking out everything. Total fixed cost. So ไปใบดูหมุนมา we have mixed cost minus with
Whatever that is in there.
VC per unit คูณជាមួយនឹង level of activity. Okay, so now we know the formula. We can do this. So we know VC per unit. So we found fixed cost. You can pick between those high or low. I'll choose high then.
Wait, you just choose the mixed cost?
Yes, all of them are mixed cost.
Oh.
10 dot ជាមួយនឹង VC per unit. So VC per unit is 31, and our level activity is we look at the level activity of cost, which is 50 of that cost. So this is well, even if you go with the low version, you also get the same amount. Let me show you. Lowest one is 6566 minus with this time it by 50. Wait, hold on.
550. Ain't it 26?
Oh yeah, 26. My bad. That's why it's 26. Yeah, see, same amount.
6, 7.
So you understand how high-low method work? You identify by the unit produced. So now we go to professor area. So this one is a bit challenging to do. He put this one. It's you have to understand the lesson well to actually know how to do this part. So using the high-low method, which of the following is the correct equivalent for linking advertising and sales from the data above? So they want to link advertising to sale. Okay, so now let's give the data. The
What is
month
that?
doesn't really matter. The month, ignore it. What matter is the sale revenue and the expenditure. They want to see the link between each other. They want us to make a formula to calculate it. So let me copy this to the sheet.
What the fuck is that?
I'm gonna get copyright sued.
Nah, bro, it's NCS, bro. You'll be fine.
If they sue me, I'm making you pay for my lawyer.
Yeah, he's representing you, bro.
It's literally called no copyright sound, bro. You'll be fine.
Nah. Fuck you. Okay, so they're looking for the best formula for it. First, we have to look at the sale revenue and advertising expenditure. So we look at the increase between it. This one is when like they spend on advertising and they see how much sale have been increased.
Is that the high-low thing or what?
Yes, we look for the highest spending expenditure.
Not output. But there's no output.
What output is here?
Is
Yeah, but
it
the thing
cost?
is we're looking for X and Y. So right now we're looking for X. What is X? What is Y? What is intercept? What is slope? Intercept is Y. And you know that X means on per Y. X determine y. So what determined here? Sales revenue, they change because of advertising expenditure. The more you spend on advertising, the more sale you get. So what influence who? Advertising influence sale. So we look at X. Just like the output. Output here, which one is X, which one is Y? X is output. Why? Because the more we produce, the more it costs. So H is the one that influence this. You get it?
Maybe.
Okay, so first look at for the highest output. So which one is the highest here for H? This one. Oh, no, this one. 6.5 the highest. And sale revenue is that. So first we go with the cost. But which one is the lowest first? Highest. Let me go with high. Remove this here. Highest advertising expenditure is 6.5. I suggest you putting the full amount in. This is a 30, so gonna bonds. That means it's 6,500.
No. Oh,
It
yes.
is. So why it's two 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 five. That. How about the low? Which one is the lowest expenditure for
Two,
2.5? Okay, so 2.5 that is 2,500, right? And the sales for that is 1, 2, there. So now we go high-low method. So we got the highest, this, divided by the highest. Oh wait, I'm chart highest dot in this. Oop, 25. So we see per unit is 25. That means the it increased by 25 each time you spend.
Is it A?
Huh?
Is it A?
Well, yes, it is A.
Nice.
It is A. The answer is A because you're looking for like how many amount you need to time by advertising expense. So the answer is A. Yeah.
Nice.
Where is it? Yeah, answer is A. High-low method. All right. So for this one, it's a bit different. It's a bit high level. It's from a exam that ACCA exam from 2011. The following costs show a total overhead cost for given level of a company total output. So this is the cost, this is the total output. So you know the cost of output, and they said one more thing, a step up in fixed cost, $500 occur at an output of 3,500. So what would be the variable overhead cost using the high-low method? So they're looking for the variable cost using the high-low method, but they also tell you one thing that for the unit for an output of 350, you will have a step fixed cost. So that means when it's get to this level of unit, it have a fixed cost increase of $500. So what you need to
What?
understand is it's basically the same thing, but you need to minus the fixed cost out when you do the high-low method for the amount that is exceeding 3,500. So now you look at here the amount of unit, which the highest method, which is the highest output, 4,000,
Four.
and 4K does it exceed this?
Mhm.
Yes.
But you exceed this, I mean there's a fixed cost of $500 inside this thing. So if you need to eliminate it, so that basically just minus it. Before you take it to calculate, you just minus the $500 from it because
So
that is a fixed cost.
900, 9,000
Yep.
minus 4,000 divided by 4,000 divided minus 1,000. Is it
Uh,
9?
so let's go find the high and find the low. Okay. So X
95.
Y. Okay. So highest output is 4,000, and this one is 95. For the lowest output is 1,000, and that is 4K. It doesn't have any step up cost because it doesn't exceed this level.
Mhm.
Now you found a VC, and VC. Okay, VC is man. We got that one shot one man. We got two actually because you need to minus double. So first we take which is the cost. This one minus with the 500 step up cost, then minus with the low cost divided by, as you know, the amount which is that minus this. Boom. 1.66, but you need to
6, 7.
okay bro, so the answer is 1 point 1 point what? No.
6, 7.
Okay bro.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What the fuck. All right, see, the answer is 1.67. Is this intentional or not? It's literally from 2011.
It's 15 years ago, bro.
Yeah, what the fuck. All right, so for number 3, the question for is taken from the exam from 2014. A company have to pay a flex budget at 2
Oh,
activity level. The cost per unit of 3 costs is given below. All 3 costs behave in a linear manner with a respect to activity. Basically, they just want you to find which is fixed, which is variable, and which is semi-variable or mixed cost. So first, you look at is are they showing us cost per unit or total cost?
fixed. X is fixed. Ah,
They're showing us cost per unit.
uh-huh.
So for cost per unit, fixed cost decrease as the level activity,
Increase.
but variable cost stay the same for cost per unit. So if you look at it, you can see y stay the same no matter how many level unit. And so that
Well,
means we know y is variable cost. So you see this, there's only these two down here because
X is
y is variable
fixed.
cost. Fixed cost you need to calculate. Let me do the calculation for you. There's a calculating way to do it. You can't just look and see it for those two.
Oh, I see it. I see my third
Take
eye.
take a guess then which one is fixed. So we know y is variable cost. But we don't know h or z. So to find x is variable cost or not, we must look we must calculate these two. First we take 3,000 times it by 10,000. Boom. And then we take wait. We take $2 times by 2 times by 15. 2 times by 15,000. So this amount. You see all done the same. Fixed cost. We find the total cost basically. If both total cost is the same amount, what is it?
Fixed.
Yep, it's a fixed cost because for total cost, fixed cost remain constant. So that means X is a fixed cost. But we don't know Z. If Z a fixed cost or variable cost. So we do that, we have to do the same thing. So 3.5 divided by this amount. And then we take it this $3 times by 15,000. Is it the same?
No.
No. Then it's mixed cost. If you time the total cost is not the same, then it's mixed cost. But if you time it in total cost remain the same, that means it is a fixed cost. So X is fixed cost because total cost is the same. Z is mixed cost because total cost is not the same. All right. You understand that part? And for better understanding, go look at the summary here.
Yeah.
Look at that summary. It's the best option you get. What the fuck? What is this? Alright, so let's go to the next one, which is this one. Let me check the answer first. Yep, fixed, fixed, and semi-variable. Number 3, correct. Okay. The following question is taken from 2018. The following observation of output and cost have been made. So this is just high-low method. They only give two things, which is we know which one is high, which one is low. It is known that at output level above 1500 unit, variable cost per unit drop by $1. So that means above this amount, it dropped by $1 for all sequential unit produced. For above that.
So minus 5,000.
No, wait, yes, but it's a bit different. So first we must look at the total unit first. So first we see that the cost is this. Let me, I think it's better if I show you the formula. It's basically high-low method, same thing.
How many high levels bro give us?
He only gives us high-low method for that, mostly. He doesn't really, I don't see him showing us high-low method in this one. Chapter 3 by Nuru Buncha. So for this one, you know which one is high, which one is low, right? So X and Y. That means this is 8,000. This is 20K. This is 39,400. 6800. I think this is way more. Okay, 20. Okay. All right, but the twist is that unit above 15,000 increase by $1. Decrease by $1.
Decrease.
When decrease, we don't minus, we add when it's decreased. We're trying to find the normal amount for this because we know this one because the price get affected, the cost get affected because each unit after that it's dropped by $1. So we had to plus it. So we had to first take the normal amount, but you need two ng job. First. So first normal high-low method. Which which is high, which is low. So the cost. No, we found the big cost first. The real cost of this. The real cost of this. You get 6,800. The amount plus with 500 because that's 5,000, right? Not 500. 5,000. 5,000 times by 1 times by the number of units that it was dropped. So this is gonna be the main amount without the twist, without the discounting. So 20k without the $1 drop should be this amount. So now we just go do the high-low method like normally.
Wait, why plus though?
Because decrease. If it's increase, we have to minus. If they
So the
say
CPA is like it's already minus already.
yes, they already minus this one. This one's already been minus by the $1 thing. So
Nice.
we need to find the original amount that before it get affected by the minus. So now we go here with VC equal to we take this amount. Oh, I forgot the chart. Minus with these divided by these minus with don't die bro quiz tomorrow 2.8. This is VC 1 before it got affected. So we have to minus that by 1 as well. $1.
Huh.
Because it's a drop by $1.
Mm.
So we minus this by 1. So the answer is 1.8. First we have to find the original VC. And then VC1, you already know 2.8. Then VC2, we have to minus by 1. Because it's affected drop. You got it, bro?
Yes.
Bro is dying.
For the past month.
This one is chapter 3, right? Yeah, this one looks like chapter 3. Okay.
EOQ as well.
Yes. That's chapter 3. So this one is the end of chapter 2 now. Just remember the high-low method. And what is fixed cost, how to tell between those two. Or the cost variable. So this is the accounting material, chapter 3. This is a lot of formula basically.
Holy shit.
Don't they give you the EOQ though?
I heard they give some formula, but I'm not sure. Let me see. Is that formula?
Holy shit.
Holy
formula.
shit.
Let me go all the way into my stash of information.
Crazy.
I have a lot, bro. It's kind of hard to check them all out. They do give, but it look like this.
What the fuck?
I mean, it's you can see from here. You need to know what CO stand for, D stand for, and everything.
What is CO?
CO, cost of ordering.
What's D?
Demand.
What is
What's
CA?
CA?
Cost of holding.
What is
I have no idea what all is.
What is H bar?
I don't know either, bro. I just use the formula in here. I don't even look at that one. So now, this one they talk about the for material accounting, basically the cost of your purchasing material. So when material, for example, if you are in a factory, you need this is the process of purchase and ordering. So
Yeah, it's gone.
what?
Raul's gone.
Rose gone. Is bro having Wi-Fi problem?
I don't know. Wait for a bit. I gotta go piss.
All right. Who is in here right now?
Me and you.
Nah, where's Dave?
She left like an hour ago.
What the fuck?
Oh fuck.
Rose is back. Somebody
Well,
watch.
but
Let me see. Who is watching YouTube? I have one viewer. I don't know who that is. All right. So the process of ordering, purchasing, and receiving material. This one is basically they show you how company request material, what document they need to purchase it. So for example, you're in a factory and you run out material to produce more product. So first the factory production department, which is the production department, they make a material requisition. It's basically a request for the material from the company. They basically a list of what they are missing, what they need. So they send that to the store department. The store department is basically where all the material is. They keep all the material. So if the department doesn't have any material in stock that company that the production department needs, so the store department have to make a purchase. Like a store department had to make purchase requisition. It means asking the company to buy more material, and they have to send that document to the purchasing department. And purchasing department see it, they would decide whether to purchase or not. And if they purchase, they will put a purchase order to the supplier, and the supplier receive it, and supplier see it, they will issue an invoice, which is the amount you have to pay for the product. And when the company pay, the supplier will send the product to the store department, which is the warehouse. And then the warehouse send it to the production factory. So it's just the flow of document they need to buy material and use it. And inventory, they are made up of three costs: purchase cost, holding cost, and ordering cost. Those made up of cost of material. But there is also stock out cost. But stock out cost, inventory, recording system cost. It's not really, we don't really learn about those, but I will teach you anyway. Stock out cost basically when you run out of material, your company cannot make any more things. So it's just like a cost of idle time, like people just sitting around doing nothing, but they're still getting paid.
Nice.
Inventory recording system is basically just your software, like inventory management, like QuickBook or Odoo. It's a software they have to pay every year for it. That is also kind of inventory to keep track of your inventory. So total annual cost of inventories, or another word is TAC, is the total cost incurred by the firm in managing inventory over 1 year. The word annual is in it, so it's just a year. It includes purchasing costs, ordering costs, and holding costs. And the formula is TAC equal to purchase cost, total annual holding cost, and total annual ordering cost. So what is purchase cost? Purchase cost is basically what you paid to the supplier to buy it. That's include delivery as well, by the way. Like what it costs for you to buy that material to your company. And for holding cost is basically what does it cost you to hold the material. Like uh, for example, you have a warehouse where you keep the material. How much rent you have to pay for that shit? That is holding cost. Oh, I forgot about. Now purchase cost is just the price and the quantity. This is the order, like this is the delivery. The cost of ordering is the shipment cost, logistics cost. And EOQ is basically the economic order quantity. It's the quantity of inventory to be recorded in order to minimize costs associated. Basically, it's the cost that you should order, like so that you don't you incur the least amount of holding costs or ordering costs. And this is the formula for it. I think you should note that down. Go pee real quick.
Interesting.
Yeah, we failing, bro.
Chong, spread your ass.
Spread your hole, bro. Let us go through your hole, bro.
Spread your cheeks again, bro. We need this.
Oh wait, he
I want to
likes.
say, I would like to apologize to all our viewers to hearing that shit.
Yo, viewers, grab a W in the chat.
No, fuck you.
Where was in the chat? Say W's in the chat.
Who is the? I don't know who is in the
Is
chat
it just
right
my
now.
account?
Yeah, I don't know who's viewing though. That's the thing.
Probably just my account.
Unless they
I
comment, I
think.
can't really see who's the person viewing.
Hold on. How do I have? How do I exit full screen?
I don't know. Anyway, that's that. So remember all the formula first. I think you
I
should
think it's
take
my
time.
account.
Yeah, I have one viewer, which is you.
Is it gone now?
I don't know either.
Oh, that's me, bro.
Oh,
I
that's
kind of
good.
left now.
Okay, so basically, I think this one is pretty easy. The chapter is not that hard, but it's just you need to remember all the formula. That's the issue. If you can remember all the formula, you should be okay.
THC plus TAC plus. I forgot.
So first formula you need to remember is basically total annual cost, which is TAC.
Mobile child.
Gonna demand for
Oh,
TH.
fuck.
I know an easy way to remember this. Pedo child. See, we already got three.
Huh?
P, D, and CH. Pedo child. And you all know, always know those should go in the same sentence.
Huh?
Yo, viewers, I'm not in the list. Not the files, viewers. Don't look for me in there.
You're friend with him.
Yeah, but I'm not in the list, son of it.
Yeah, both y'all in the list, bro.
What list?
The Epstein list. Both
What?
y'all in the files.
Nah, what the hell?
Is that all of that?
There is some hot. I will get to that soon.
I'm about to pass out, bro. God damn.
So just write down the formula and the part is pretty easy. You just need to know formula and just replace it. Does it? There's not really
So,
any trick.
I'm about to fail.
What?
I'm about to bust.
I recommend you remember your calculator and shit. You know.
It's always in my bag.
Yeah.
yeah, I'm borrowing the school.
You might want to be early to borrow then because I think a lot of people plan to do that.
Sure, I'm going in the morning, anyways.
Yeah. So what does all stand for here? Let me see. All annual replenishment rate. Okay.
What the fuck is that?
All is
We have to
annual.
replenish it or something?
Yeah, it's basically. Don't worry. This one they would tell those usually those things they would tell exactly the name of it. What is the smashing sound?
It's a ball.
So the order level as
This
well.
ball right here.
Hey, yo,
This
we're live
ball.
streaming. Yo, chill.
You're getting doxxed, bro.
6, 7.
guess that's why I'm recording it. Because they didn't fucking show up in it. They will watch it in the morning.
Yeah, tell them to have fun listening to me being a fucking
Yeah, they're gonna be
bat.
seeing just 6-7, 6-7, 6-7. Hold on. Fuck you.
Yo, viewers, drop 6-7 in the chat.
No, what?
Reorder level, max usage, max lead time, average inventory, Q over 2, or Q over 2, plus buffer inventory. Minimum inventory level equal reorder level minus average usage times average lead time. So maximum equal reorder plus Q minus min times min. Minimum equal reorder level plus minus average usage times average lead time. Reorder level equal max usage times max lead time. And average inventory is equal I failed the fucking quiz.
The fuck?
Yo, come on, bro. Just let me gamble tomorrow, bro. It's all up to you, bro. 25% chance of passing.
Can't do that, bro. Well, worst come to worst, I start begging.
I don't think begging's the problem here.
What am I supposed to do, bro?
Like, the notes are actually good. It's just that it's too much shit to review.
2 quiz in 1 day. Damn.
Yeah, we're failing the psychology one, by the way.
What the fuck is going on here?
Play with balls.
Yeah. Also, that's other formula you guys need to know that Professor didn't really mention, which I found it funny.
Wow.
Because if they don't remember the formula from FMA1, they are failing.
Like what?
Let me show you. Let's the efficiency. Basically this.
Bruh.
There's that thing?
Yep. There's that thing. Just this. I'll put it in here.
Why?
Ask him.
Yo, him, why you doing this, bro?
What the fuck? Bro, let you ask him. So yeah. So first, let's see.
You send that thing to afterwards.
Sure.
Like the spreadsheet, yeah.
I'll just send it to everybody. I think that's about everybody, right?
Bro was about to send it to Pat Beck.
He'd be like, what the hell is this? Bro, always check his email too.
I'll be like, is this a joke?
Do I look like a joke to you? No, what the fuck? So, budget hour equal to budget hour per unit.
They said he will start a war. I'm not going to start a war. I'm going to stop wars. I will prevent World War III from happening. We will stop it. I love solving.
That did not age well, bro. What the
Do you not hear that?
You know what?
They said he will start a war. I'm not going to start a war. I'm going to stop wars. Prevent World War III from happening. We will stop it. I love solving wars. You know why? I like stopping people from being killed. My proudest legacy will be that of a peacemaker and unifier. Short
No, it's not a peacemaker.
its military began major combat operations in Iran. They said he will.
Ain't no fucking way.
Bro won a Nobel Peace Prize, by the way.
Ain't no fucking way.
I will stop the war. Send that shit to me.
Hold up. I think my girlfriend is
They said
okay. Oh, there we go. Here. You're getting sued, bro.
How am I getting sued? Oh yeah, fuck you, Rich. I'm gonna sue you.
Bro, it's no copyright.
I'm suing your ass, bro.
It's literally what NCS stands for, bro.
I'm
Oh wait,
suing.
that's what it actually stands for? I didn't even know.
Yes, no copyright sound.
Now I'm still suing, bro.
Ah,
All right, so you guys wrote down all the formula yet?
No.
Okay.
so what you're writing down is what I'm writing down.
I did write it down on my book.
Morph, I'm just
You write it
looking at
down
it.
on the spreadsheet too.
No.
Why not?
Why would I do that?
For us.
Hell no.
Yeah, bro,
Nah.
we got your top Cambodia, bro.
Yeah, bro. We got you top, what was it? Top something Cambodia, bro.
What the fuck? All right, so look at this. EOQ. What is EOQ formula? As you remember, let me pop.
Square root of 2COD over CH.
Okay, so let me go screenshot that formula in here. That way,
Is that even right?
I don't know. It's here.
2DCO. Oh, I am right.
Okay. Cool.
2 cot over chapel nigga.
I think that's an age, bro.
I don't know what the fuck. Okay, so now we know that all of this is in here. So first we look what is D, what is CO, what is CH. So D. D is the man.
Oh,
Can you like zoom in a bit?
can you type bigger?
Yeah, can you type bigger?
Fucking picky ass. Yeah. You have your own spreadsheet. Go look at it.
You kind of need it.
Nah.
Nah, this is better, bro.
Okay, so the man. So first we read. Somebody read this.
Really, I already read last time.
The purchase price of an item.
Okay, shut the fuck up. The purchase price of an item of inventory is $25 per unit. In each 3-month period, the usage of an item is 20,000 units. The annual holding cost associated with one unit equals to 6% of its purchase price. The cost of placing an order for the item is $20. So we know that the demand is every 3 months they need 20K. So we need to find the demand per year.
So multiply that by 4.
Yep. So we got, as you know, 20,000 times by 4, 80,000. And I know I'm supposed to put it on 16. I'm put 18 off. Fuck it. Is this big enough for you? Are you entertained?
No.
Fuck. Alright, so the cost of order is 20 bucks. And the cost of holding it's 6% of purchase price. What is the purchase price here? $25 times by 0.6, 6%. Boom. 1.5. So we got
By
this.
what?
Huh? 6% because they said cost of
Oh.
holding is 6% of purchase price. So you know the answer, you know
What's
the rules.
purchase price?
What?
What's purchase price?
The
Oh,
price.
25.
Yeah, the purchase price of an item. Did she tell you? Okay, so now EOQ. What is the EOQ? Stand for as square root of. So we must put 2 hello. 2 times it by the demand times it by cost of holding divided by this. Then boom. Wait, hold on. I need to make sure the right fucking thing. Okay, boom. Too much. There we go. So this is the answer here. We need to. They said to the nearest whole number unit, so that means we cannot have any odd number out. So let's there. 1461. Yep, 1461. So you got that? It's basically you don't do much for now.
Yeah, that's the problem. I don't know the formula.
You have to remember that shit. You gotta remember it.
Can they give it
I'm
to
telling
us?
you.
They
They will
do
show
give
the
this one. They
calculation.
do give this. Yes, they do.
Oh, nice.
Here, it's right here. You just need to know which is which. Bro is dying. Oh wait, I should really do the streak now. Streak.
Why did bro even nudge me? I don't even have streak with bro.
I don't fucking know either.
Damn, you shoot, bro.
I don't want to.
I don't want to have to sell it twice, bro. I have exactly 15 people.
I have 14 because of someone.
What happened?
I used to have streak with say almost 400 days and bro fucking broke it.
Nah.
Yeah.
Huh. Almost on the day too. Alright, so you guys understand this, right? It's pretty simple. Just remember formula and you can do it. Alright. Now for this one. Alright, so let me so this one they're asking for if the free inventory is that, what is the physical inventory? So they're looking for inventory. Let me read the whole concept first. There are that much unit, part of number X order with supplier and 16 outstanding on existing customer order. So they're looking for the physical inventory. This one is outstanding on existing customer order. That means it haven't been sent out yet. And this one is in order. That means it's basically this one you place an order but it's not here yet. They're looking for the physical count. So this one you have to use a bit of logical thinking. So this one, the top one right here, the 2700 is still in ordering phase.
Holy small.
I will fucking do it. Like, I will get it bigger. Don't worry. Behold, big.
Nice.
That's quite average size, bro.
Now shut the fuck. Okay, and then we have a 1625 is still outstanding. The word outstanding here, basically,
Amazing.
because outstanding customer order. Okay, what the fuck is this? It means that it's outstanding customer order. That means the customer order from us, but we haven't shipped them out yet. So it's still with us. That's the thing. And the free inventory is just the inventory we have right now in stock that we have in stock, our stock. Free inventory in stock. Boom.
0.
So they're asking for our physical inventory. Inventory. This is like in stock or available. This one is just logic. It doesn't have any formula. You just go. You know they're asking what inventory you have in your warehouse right now. You just take this. Well, you can't really do that. Okay, 1625 plus with 1300. 1300. Yep, 1300. So that's the inventory you have in stock, physical inventory. This one you're supposed to have this, but it's still in order.
Wait, outstanding is like you don't
Oh,
set it
oh.
up yet.
You holding the inventory for the customer. They haven't come collected it yet. They made an order, but they haven't come and get it, or you haven't shipped it out, so it's still in your warehouse.
Not bad.
Never mind, I was wrong. They do have a formula.
Interesting. Hmm.
That's interesting. $1,300 minus with that and plus with that. Oh, so this one they also count inside the free inventory too. I see, that's why. Write down this formula, guys.
You write down for us.
You
No,
copy it.
Yeah, you just copy it.
no, write it down with yourself.
You take a screenshot.
No,
Why not?
I refuse.
Gonna need this.
We took you to top Cambodia.
Fuck you. Well, I'll write it down in my notebook first, and I write down on the sheet. Top Cambodia, but not top one.
Hey, top Cambodia is top Cambodia, bro.
What is that? Okay, so let me write down the formula for this. Formula is boom.
Damn, bro, I might skip ethic tomorrow.
You always skip anyway. It doesn't really matter, bro.
What's
Skip
the point?
fucking look at the psychology, bro.
Nothing to look at, bro.
Yeah. Now this is equal to free inventory, which is that minus with order from supplier right here. So let's go with here. And this one is domestic good. Alright, so based on the data above, what level of inventory would be replenished order be issued? Where's the reorder level? Amount should be order, so the formula for the order level, let me go look at it real quick. Do they give it on the quiz? I'm not sure. Let me check. Let's hope. We can only hope that they give it on the quiz or not.
Yo,
Worst
like,
case scenario, we gamble, bro.
No, they
yeah,
do not.
bro.
They do not give on the quiz.
Yeah, we gambling.
Okay, so they don't give on the quiz. The order level is basically this: max usage, max lead time. So let me copy this into here. So the order level. So if you see that, how would you do it?
Max usage.
Max.
What do you want? The other one is lead time, I think.
So max usage. Where is the max usage? Max usage is basically sales. So we have this 95, time it by maximum lead time. Lead time maximum is 18 day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Here. See?
Mhm.
Nice.
Alright, so now we go with this one. Nigga, nigga, nigga. Wait, I forgot I'm on YouTube. Oh, hell no!
Yo, YouTube ban his ass, bro. YouTube ban his ass.
Nah! Don't worry. It's past the stream. I don't think I will make it this far. We've been streaming for fucking 2.5 hours.
You never know, bro.
They will not clip this shit. I've turned clip on too. What the fuck? Please do not clip this shit.
This farm will help you. For this, all you're going to need is steps blocks 5 redstone, 2 tripwire.
Okay, so based on the data, but what is the maximum inventory level? For maximum inventory level, there's also a formula for it. Maximum inventory level right here.
Looking north or west
Maximum
on the
inventory
area.
level. So let me put that there.
A double chest.
Holy small.
Bro, I will fucking make it big. Just shut up.
One block on the inside.
Nah. It's basically the same thing, the same material, but they were asking for maximum inventory. So you go do it. Maximum inventory equal to reorder level, which is over here. Time it by on a plus by quantity. Quantity, look at quantity, it's gonna be known as the ask for 2000 for which of the following.
1750.
17.
Last
Yeah, quantity, 1750.
17.
Then minus with minimum
Holy
usage. Minimum usage is 50. Time it by minimum use time. Minimum lead time 12.
hell.
Boom. Yeah. So that's your answer, buddy. Right here.
Nice. Are we passing now?
It should be. Just remember the formula. That's the only issue. I recommend going to Roll's house tomorrow. Just get a pen and paper. Keep writing that formula all over again. Write it till your hand hurt.
Go does your house sell pen and paper?
Borrow.
Sure.
I'll bring the paper. You get the pen.
Nah, I just heard myself crying on stream. That's crazy.
It's okay. You can replay that later. What is the reorder level which to avoid stuck out? So basically, just look for the reorder level, which is the same formula here. All right. So that one would be look for max, which is 520, time it by max lead time 15. See, it's not that hard, right?
What?
It's not that hard. See,
Wait, what did you just do?
The
basically just
same thing.
reorder level. Max use
Oh,
time, max lead time, done.
crazy. I look away for a second and bro's done.
It's just that. It's not really anything. See, right? Chapter 3 is just your memory. That is your what you need, your memory.
Which I
Oh, I
don't.
forgot. I forgot what I ate yesterday, bro. I am not relying on that shit, bro.
Then my best advices would be remember all the formula, and then the moment they give you that fucking paper and they tell you to start the exam, write down all the formula. Do not fucking look at the question yet. Like, don't even fucking start the exam yet. Just write down all the formula. Basically, write down all the formula you can remember. Write it all down. Then you can look at the question.
Make me hard, make me lose my
What is the
breath.
total annual holding cost? Okay, total annual holding cost.
What is
Annual holding
THC?
THC. Yeah. Basically, it's
Right.
Something.
Tanya,
Less
this
something.
Oh,
this.
oh fuck! I remember the wrong one. No, I'm failing.
It's okay, bro. You can retake.
Well,
Crazy.
ain't there one with the without the buffer inventory thing
Yes,
too?
but I recommend just remember this one. If there's no buffer, just put 0.
Plus 0.
Yeah.
I
A
bet.
manufacturing company use 25k component at an
Even rate.
even rate during the year. So that is the demand. So that is D. You know D. D. D is that. D is 25k. I will make it big. Don't fucking scream.
Make me sway, make me harder.
Why do we need D?
Because they tell us we 200,000.
Maybe
Either.
that's for CH or something.
Each order placed with the supplier of a component is for that much, which is the economic holding quantity. So that is EOQ.
EOQ. Oh, so we take on room 1
Yeah,
EOQ back.
yep. That's how you have to go do that.
How we find CH?
Yeah, that's how you find CH.
How the fuck you do fucking square root?
Well, I will teach you. Don't worry. The company hold a buffer inventory, so they do have buffer, so that's good. We know they have buffer.
Legit or something?
Yes.
Wow.
Annual holding cost. The annual cost of holding the inventory is $2.
That's it.
Yep. Wait. What is total annual holding cost? They already tell. We don't even have to do this.
That's THC.
This
Oh,
is
I know.
total holding cost.
Tell the annual cost of holding.
Yeah, total annual cost of holding. So we don't
Oh.
even have to do this because you should remember one more thing, which is EOQ is the same as reorder quantity OQ. OQ.
So
And OQ is equal to demand as well.
go.
or Q, which both same shit. Those things are basically the same.
Or CH. Oh,
CH is
cool.
holding cost. We know CH well. CH is literally they said the annual holding cost for one component is $2.
For
Wait,
that.
so your Q is Q.
Yes. So now you can find it, right? Equal to we have CH. We time it by oh, we have to time then. We time it by Q, which is this, divided by 2, and then we have the plus buffer, of course. Plus with buffer, and then 3000.
Wait, why is Q equal to D?
It's just how it is, bro.
How about the
Then
other
what
D?
about what was the other D?
D is
D,
demand.
what's
Oh,
that D?
wait, forgot. No, wrong. This part. D. This one is demand for entire year. Q is quantity, different from D. Wait. Yep. It's 3000 right here. How many more of this do we have? Oh, only 2 more. Hang in there, guys. Only 2 more.
I'm surprised I'm not dead by now.
Only
Damn
2
shit.
more. We got this. Then I can finally go and do my red book. I'm not sleeping tonight. And can I have some coffee? Extra strong tomorrow.
Sure.
I'll be tweaking the whole day. What is economic production run? Okay, that is basically just EOQ. The word economics, look at. So, where's the formula? Yeah. That is not.
Hold up, let
I'll
me
just
go take
copy
a
it.
piss.
Okay. Sure, buddy. Need this again. How is life, Rich?
My eyes, bro, my eyes don't want to open anymore.
What the fuck? Okay, so
My eyes
EOQ.
don't want to open. Half my brain is down, and yeah.
What the fuck? So let's see what they give. They give. We need D, we need CO, and we need CH. So let's see what they give us. So do we have D? Let me see. Receive inventory of resupply of inventory at a rate of that much per week. Other information as follow. Weekly demand. Okay, the demand is D. Set up cost for each production run. Set up costs. Weekly cost of holding. So cost of ordering that is 125, and cost of holding is 0.00 0.0025. Okay, so as you know, you just go square root. You know how to do this in calculator, right?
Hell no.
Oh, you're gonna fucking have a nightmare then. Good luck, bro. Yeah. And then we have to wait. Hold up, that's not right. The rate of how many unit resupply the order level of that much. Wait, hold on. Did I do the math right? Let me see.
It's too small of me to see.
Real.
Right. 2D CO is this. Is that cost of ordering? As follow. What is the production run? Let's see. What's this? That is CO. That is D. Yeah. Oh, this is batch.
Oh,
This is batch. This is EBQ, not EOQ.
What the fuck is EBQ?
Let's see. Receive resupply of whatever. It doesn't tell us it's batch. What the fuck? Oh, receive resupply of inventory rate. So yeah, it's batch. They need to resupply. The order level is higher than demand. So it's. How the fuck do you tell it's batch or not? That's the issue. I guess if it doesn't match the answer, go for batch EBQ. Let's go EBQ equal to, wait, where's R? R is equal to R is the number, the big number over there.
Oh,
Hold on. 24.
what the fuck is that? 894,000
Where?
for the answer. Like that one answer.
I don't know.
I think it's 1,000, 7,000, 31,000. That shit is 900,000.
Well, that's just life, bro. Alright, so now we go SQRT.
That one can't be the answer, right?
I hope not. It better fucking not.
Imagine a million units of product.
It better fucking not. If that's the answer, then fucking hell. Well, you can win. I give
You
up
can't
on
even
that.
gamble at this point.
I give up on that, man. They can win. Because I am not doing that shit. Cost of holding. Time it by another one, which is 1 minus with
D.
D. Oh. Boop. Boop.
Yeah, that's the right answer.
Okay, so we need to put it into the whole number. So the answer is 2160. So C. C is the right answer.
God damn.
It is batch because I think I should ask AI how do you tell this is batch or not. Let me put
Did you take a picture of that?
just like just in case I copied the wrong one. I did copy the formula as well. So yeah.
Right. Bro took a picture of the picture.
What the fuck is this? Spotting when a problem is it's all about the clue in the word they have. Keyword production run. Anti-supply method. Word like produce gradually, production rate, manufacture per week, resupply. Oh, the word resupply. The word resupply. Resupply. I think I'm gonna copy all the word that's related to it. It's better because they're gonna use a lot of those. Production rate. Production rate. Manufacture per week. Manufacture per week. And then produce gradually. answer right there. How the fuck is it? Nah, it's not gonna be this answer.
Don't worry.
If it was that, there's no amount of guessing skill getting that, bro. What the fuck? The answer will go every instinct. The answer will pull every instinct you have to say. That is never the answer, bro. Unless you're a madman and decide that is the answer. What is the minimum total cost? Assuming a discount or purchasing price only. So what is the minimum total cost? Assuming a discount of 2% applied to the purchase
What are
price.
y'all get shocked?
No.
What?
Y'all heard that? That.
No.
So minimum total cost.
Why anyone getting shocked?
I don't fucking
Are
know.
you? I don't know.
So this one you need to find total inventory cost.
See? Oh fuck!
What do you mean?
Yeah,
Here's
what
the.
was I?
Where's the formula? Let me show you.
Tic tac toe.
Oh, pedo child.
The fuck?
Guys, I'm not in the list, guys.
Yeah, you are in the list, bro. There's no game.
The pedo child quantity over 2, like half a child
Why are you in the list?
plus codic.
What?
I don't know.
What is bro saying?
Trying to remember it.
25. Annual demand is 180. Ordering cost it's $32.
Like
Queue,
answer
which
should be
is
like that, not like 1,000, 7,000, 30,000, and 900,000.
I mean, to be fair, it would give you a good chance of guessing, though.
True, but like, damn.
Alright, so as you know what to do here. So
Right, saying actually the
plan.
fucking team psychology shit.
Wait, Saints actually doing work? Damn, that's crazy. Nah.
Oh yeah, hey, did you say you were there for bro? Like, why did you do the team psychology?
What?
Did you say you were there for 2 if he needed anything? I think bro needed team
Any,
psychology.
any, anything besides work, bro.
Alright, so here's the answer.
Holy fuck.
Got it?
No,
Basically this, the formula.
which I don't remember.
Well, you gotta remember it, so. What can I do, bro? It's literally you have to remember it. I can't do anything about that, bro.
You drill it in my brain. Like open up my brain, put it on a drill, and drill it inside.
Nah. So that's will be it. Let me write down that formula.
Like I know, bro. They tell us like a week in advance. Like, come on.
To be fair, he's only putting 3 chapters. If he put the other one too, you guys are fucked, you know that, right? Chapter 3. Okay.
How from midterm? How many chapters bro gonna put?
5.
Fuck.
All right. So that's if you guys can do all of this, I think you should pass.
Nope.
Just remember the formula. That's it. Oh, also this 2 formula as well. The efficiency formula, which is it's not in here. He didn't put it in here, but in the answer there's half, which is weird. Oh, do they have? Let me see. No, they don't. Okay. Basically, they're looking for the efficiency. Let me copy that into there. Let me go all the way down here and put it to 24. There we go.
Oh, fuck.
So capacity ratio. What capacity ratio? Let me go look at the answer sheet. Wait a minute, this is a different. They don't put this exercise in there. What the fuck? Let me
You're getting fucking zooed.
fuck is going on over there?
You're getting sued.
I'm already getting banned for saying the N word, but okay. Like I'm already getting banned, bro.
Crazy.
What's the point of suing me? So for formula for capacity ratio, it's basically capacity ratio. Is anyone even watching the YouTube thing? I don't know.
I don't think so.
I just put in the background.
Okay, whatever. So it's gonna be standard hour. So capacity is actual hour. Actual hour divided by budget hour. So to find budget, to find actual hour, basically you take actual hour time by actual output. So in order to find that, you have to basically this is actual hour right here. So actual hour they already give this one, the hour that actually work. It costs them. So you see actual hour. It's I
Budget.
learned this shit this morning, so it's not really the best. I'm not really the best guy to teach about this.
Wait, which one's the actual hour?
This one, the one they give, like the total machine hour work in the period. That's actual
Why is that actual and not budget?
because it's the work hour. Like it happened. If it's budget, they will say it's budget. If it's they don't say anything, it's actual.
This way, make me water.
So that's and then budget hour. You have to take budget hour per like budget time per hour. Right, but so let's go here. Budget hour equal to budget hour is equal to budget hour per unit time it by budget output, and they will tell you like budget output is over here. So this one they're asking for ratio this year, so better total it first. So budget hour per unit is basically this times by this. So this is standard budget hour per unit. You divide by this plus all this together. That's budget hour per unit.
What?
Wow.
What? Yes, what indeed? So
Yeah, we
budget plus. To be fair, this is gonna be one exercise, so it doesn't really affect too much.
We're guessing.
1.5. I think this is how you do it. I remember from they're asking for the entire thing or what? I think so. Okay. 1.5. That is timed by budget output, which is all this total. How do you total them all? Let me go with 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9 timed by 1k. Boom. Basically that. Then you have actual budget 79%. Is that right? Nope, that was not right. How do you find budget? Oh, it's time by. It is that. What do you mean? I did it correctly. The fuck? Did I use the wrong formula for it?
Yes.
I think I plus it wrong. Too many won't go. The fuck?
I would help you check, but I can't see shit.
You see.
Bad guys. And you don't have. And, yeah, budget hour just plus them all together. Who lets you do the formula? You plus all this together. Basically, this is budget hour. See, budget production. The hour they give is budget hour.
29, 10, 19, 27.
7,000 plus with 9,000. Boop. Okay, so sorry about that. Then you turn this into percentage, and then you have to move it back to this as a 1 decimal place. Wait, 1 decimal place, not whole number. So, boop, there. You need to put the number correctly, guys. And then we have a efficiency ratio. Efficiency ratio would be very interesting. Okay. Where the hell?
Actual over actual. Huh?
No, it's not actual over actual. Efficiency.
Well,
I need to copy the question.
actual output and actual work.
Standard hour, bro. That is not actual. Okay, so efficiency.
Essay.
Efficiency
Essay.
ratio.
Essay.
The fuck is going on?
Sexual assault.
Huh? What?
Y'all heard me. Standard over actual essay, also known as sexual assault.
He is on the list. I am not. Both of them is on the list.
Guys, I'm not on the list. Why? Because I made my own list.
Huh?
Pro has his own file.
Bro is a competitor.
Yeah, bro, I'm playing rank, bro. Fuck classic.
What the fuck is this standard hour? Alright, so standard hour is basically your actual production unit timed by this amount.
Oh,
Timed by the budget hour per unit. So
Oh.
standard hour is the formula is this. To find standard hour, you have to get a budget hour per unit timed by actual output. Get it? So actual hour you already they already give, so just copy paste that. And for standard you have to find it, which is gonna be they already give this, so you have to take 12,000 times by 0.2 plus with 25,000 times by 0.4 plus with 16,000 times by 0.5 plus with
what's all those 0 points?
5,000. 0.6 is budget hour per unit. Like, you know to find it, it's basically just your total budget hour divided by unit.
Interesting.
Times by 1.5.
Oh my god.
Alright, so that would give us standard hour over actual hour, which is this much, and then we turn it to percentage. Oops, yeah, so 96.2. Now for production. Found productivity ratio. And this one for productivity ratio is,
And we just do the easy way.
yeah.
Just time them together.
You remember the formula. Interesting.
A over B, S over A, and whatever those two are together.
Yep. There we go. Then just go 103. Productivity, very productive. So 100.
Yo, who's under the table, bro?
The fuck?
Why am I so tired?
Oh, like we done.
Yes, but hold on. Ronnie says I'm talking to Ronnie about something. She want me to print the formula. She want to print the formula of. Ah, I see. Well, is she the one watching on YouTube? And she said she's watching. The fuck. So yeah,
To us
basically,
yapping about nothing.
yeah. So I guess
Right.
you guys should review this sheet again tomorrow,
I should go to sleep, bro. I'm fucking.
and don't forget about the lesson, which is the graph and stuff. You need to know that as well.
Fuck.
Of course, the high-low method. You have to know that. The chapter one, there's no hard, but you have a lot of question. You have to use some logical thinking. Okay, hold on. Let me print some stuff first.
Damn.
Damn.
How many pages is this? 10 sheet. Okay. I got 2 copies.
Why am I hearing Minecraft?
Why is bro in
I
Minecraft?
got bored.
Nah, what the fuck?
Ooh. Yo, this seed is good. You spawn in an ancient city.
What? Share your
Yes,
screen.
you spawn in it. Uh, y'all really want me watching pixels? Sure.
Sure, why not?
Right. Entire screen. This. Y'all see it? I'm
Let's
in
see
an
it.
ancient city.
What the hell is this?
Like, see, this is so close to spawn. Like, where's 0, 0?
I'm
I think I
watching
came
a
from here.
PowerPoint presentation.
Yeah, I came from around here. Where is 0, 0? Somewhere around there. See, I spawned down here.
What the hell? Why is it a good thing to spawn in an ancient city? You're gonna die.
Late game loot.
Late game loot, also late game bosses. Bro's gonna get
Fuck
one
off.
shot. He's in creative.
I am literally watching a PowerPoint presentation.
Yeah, I see it.
Die. 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 Jesus.
thing in PowerPoint. That's crazy.
It's like you're turning over to the next page, you know. One page he's flying, the other page he's on the ground, and then he's flying again, and then on the ground again.
Wait, sharing screen? This shit doesn't lag as much as in Discord.
Yeah, because Discord, I actually see what you're doing. This is why I'm looking at manga you.
Crazy. This one is. Wait, I killed him. Swift snake, nothing useless. Fuck that. Oh, I spawned another one. What's up, my nigga?
Can't print that. What the hell? Is it too much data to print or what the fuck? 10 sheets of paper. Print. Should be 20 pages, right? Why is it only sending 17?
Die! Die!
Now it's 14.
Die!
Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep, bro.
Okay, bro.
I killed this guy. Hold up. Die! Jesus, finally. Yeah, I'm gonna go sleep too. 6, 7.
Yeah, bye, bro.
Hold on, I'm trying to fix this. Why is it only sending 14 page of data? What the fuck? Hold on. I'm trying to. I think my printer is malfunctioning. What the fuck?
Oh no. Oh god, I hear it. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, my printer is malfunctioning. What the fuck is this? I'm still live streaming, but my printer's not working out. Why is it still only 14 pages? It's supposed to be 20. 6 pages and it stopped printing. What the fuck? Okay, so I just have to print it by batch. This is gonna be annoying. Print half and half. That's the only way. What the hell is wrong with my printer? So it's had to be how many pages? The entire thing is 19 pages. Okay, so it's gonna be 7 to 19 then. Print it. Okay. I had to print in batch. Okay. So limit. I think the memory is fucked up in my printer. That's why it's. I need to go get. Did they replace the memory? working fine right now. Interesting. I think that's it. Alright, I guess time to end the stream.